Is your website struggling with ranking on Google SERPs? If yes, then you might have to rework your content marketing strategy. In this video, we list the top 5 common content marketing mistakes that every businesses and brands need to avoid. Tip number 1. Not setting content goals. Having a well-defined content goal helps measure KPI and track the performance of the content you publish on your website. The process starts with creating an audience persona, developing a keyword list, understanding the content, and writing in a style that provides your audience with valuable content. Later, you need a plan to find out how often to post in different channels to achieve your content goals. Tip number 2. Pushing quantity over quality. Churning out content without keeping the quality in mind will not help you with ranking on SERPs. Instead, focus on producing high-quality content that is valuable, relevant, well-written, organized, and easy to read. So, it is always advised that you focus on quality over quantity. Tip number 3. Inconsistency in publishing blog content. Companies that consistently produce blogs have a higher chance of acquiring more leads per month than companies that don't. So, it is highly recommended that you have an active blog on your website. In addition, publishing consistent blogs per week will increase organic traffic and give you exposure to SERPs. Tip number 4. Not leveraging social media. Once you start consistently publishing your blog, where would you promote them for free? That's where social media channels come into the picture. If you don't have a social media presence, now is the right time to consider it for marketing your content. That's because social media channels provide a variety of free ways to reach a broader audience. Tip number 5. Ignoring analytics. An efficient and high-performing content marketing strategy is incomplete without tracking or analyzing data. First, you must study past campaigns to see which ones worked and which did not. Next, use your data to measure the most critical campaign KPI to gauge the level of success. Later, apply those lessons to your ever-evolving future content strategy. That's it from today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. For more content like this, subscribe to the Infidigit YouTube channel and follow us on social media. The links are mentioned in the description. Thank you.